Hey, hope everyone's having a fantastic day. Today's video is how to be ripped eating 3MAD, 3 meals a day. I started off my first meal at 1 p.m. with this delicious smoothie bowl. And this smoothie bowl had 3 bananas, 1 cup of frozen blueberries. It had 3 dates that was soaked in a half a cup of coconut water, about a third a cup of almond milk, a tablespoon of cacao powder, and 2 tablespoons of peanut butter. And my dog loves blueberries too. So for the bananas, I actually soaked those in hot water for about 4.5 minutes because they were also frozen, blended it up, and there it is. I sliced up some bananas on top and I added some frozen blueberries as well. So super delicious, try that out. At 5 p.m. I had my second meal, which was a salad. My dog got some as well, but this had greens, cucumber, apple, avocado, cashews, sunflower seeds, and carrots. So good combination for the salad. Then at 7 p.m. I had my third meal. I started off with a sumo citrus, and then I made this veggie rice bowl. It had sweet potatoes, corn, rice, jalapeno, and I just put that all in a bowl, and I had a little side of crackers as well. Ended up having 2 bowls of that veggie dish. So that was it. Thanks for watching. Make sure you check out my plant-based recipe ebook in the description box below. Some delicious recipes I make on a regular basis. Subscribe for more videos. Give me a thumbs up or thumbs down. Leave me a comment. Let me know what you think. Hope everyone has a fantastic day, and we'll talk to you soon. Bye-bye.